Hey guys, it's Dana and it's time to talk about money. And in this video I want to talk about a really cheap, inexpensive way to prevent weeds from growing in your garden beds. Okay, so it's spring and you might be going out and doing some gardening, and if you're looking to prevent weeds, then you are probably looking into weed control fabric. And I went and looked online and went into the stores, and it can be pretty pricey, $40 all the way up to $150 or more for the weed control fabric. But actually there's something that's better for your garden bed and a lot cheaper, in fact probably free. And what that is cardboard or newspaper. So if you have newspaper or cardboard laying around, probably from some Amazon boxes or something, you can break them down and lay them down and use that as your weed control fabric, and just cover it with some water and then put mulch on top and nobody will see it. And then it's a really great way to prevent weeds. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so here's the newspaper and boxes, and here's the stretch that I'm going to do along the side of the house. So in front of this little window here that goes to the basement, I don't want any weeds at all. Nothing. I don't want anything to grow, so I'm going to use the heavier cardboard. Then on the sides, I'm just going to use newspaper in case we want to plant something in the future. But right in front of the window here, I'm going to have some decorative stone on top of the mulch, and so I'm going to use the heavier boxes. I just ripped off any tape that was on there, and so then I'm going to wet it with the hose after I put the newspaper on the sides. So if you wet the newspaper first, it won't blow away on you when you're trying to place it before you mulch it. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna Okay, so I'm all done. Boxes and newspaper. And I'm sorry, it seems like all my neighbors decided to mow the lawn as soon as I started doing this. Alright, so there it is, all covered, and now we're going to get the mulch. Alright, that's it. So it's all covered. You can't see the paper or the cardboard, and no weeds should grow. Cheap solution for weed control. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If it's your first time here, be sure to subscribe. I'm here every single Tuesday talking all about money. And if you enjoyed this is kind of a different kind of video, doing home tips, cheap tips, then give this video a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you next week.